Cooking verbs.
Wash, wash, wash. Cut, cut, cut. Pour, pour, pour. Boil, boil, boil. Add, add, add. Mix, mix, mix. Taste, taste, taste. Serve, serve, serve. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.